I welcome you all to the session on Internet of Things, Levels of Devices. I am Dr. R. Vidya, working for the Department of CSE in Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today's session is on Internet of Things, Levels of Devices. So before discussing about the levels of IoT devices, let us discuss the components present in any IoT system. The first component in an IoT system is a device, which is allowing identification, remote sensing and monitoring capabilities. Next is a resource, which is nothing but a software resource, which is used for storing, processing, accessing sensor information. It is also used to control the actuators connected to the device. The next component is the controller service. It is a service which enables interaction with the web services, and also it sends data from the device to the web service and vice versa. Next, very important component of an IoT system is the database. It can either be local or it can be cloud. So IoT system will receive many information, will sense many information, and it will store in the database. Next is the web service, which is acting as a link between the IoT device, application, database and the analysis components. The next part of an IoT system is an analysis component, which is responsible for analyzing the IoT data, generating results in a form that is easy for the user to understand. Next, the last layer of any IoT system is the application, which provides an interface that users can use to control and monitor various aspects of the IoT system. Applications also allows users to view the system status and the processed data. So having known that, let us get into the levels of devices. There are 6 levels of IoT devices, and each will differ in the way of analyzing component is present, in the way the database is stored, etc. So you can look at the diagram. The IoT device, level 1 device, have everything on its own. It is stored locally. All the informations are stored locally in a single node. Analysis is done in the single node. The device itself acts as the database. So that is level 1 IoT device. And example for level 1 IoT device is nothing but your home automation system. So we all know home is automated with the help of smart IoT devices. So they will sense the physical parameters, they'll store the parameters, they'll analyze the parameter and give the results based on that. So it's locally stored data because it is not big data. Next is IoT level 2. So here the data what is sensed by the IoT device is big. The data involved is big, so we should have a better database, so it is stored in the cloud. So cloud is used to store only the data, but not any analysis is done there. So you can see the difference between this IoT level 1 and level 2. So here the local device senses information, analysis, everything is done locally, but storage alone takes place in the cloud. So example for level 2 device is nothing but smart irrigation. So in the field you have different sensors which senses temperature, moisture, pressure, etc. And then the analysis, everything is taking place locally, whereas the information gathered is big, hence it is stored in the cloud. Next is IoT level 3 devices. So here the analysis component is present in the cloud as well. So here analysis takes place in the cloud along with storage. So best example of IoT level 3 device is tracking package handling. So the packages can be tracked with the help of different sensors. We are using accelerometer to sense the movement or vibrations. We are using gyroscope to give the orientation info. So here analysis is taking place in the cloud because they are computationally intensive. Next is IoT level 4. So here we go in for multiple nodes. Till now we saw only single nodes. Here we have multiple nodes, and there are something called as observer nodes which can subscribe and receive information connected in the cloud from IoT devices. So here the cloud is used as a storage as well as analysis, and we have multiple nodes, and these nodes can collect information and get commands from the cloud. Example of IoT level 4 device is nothing but noise monitoring. So you have different multiple nodes set up to monitor the noise. It senses the sound and it gives results based on the sensed parameters. Next is IoT level 5. Level 5 devices are usually used in wireless networks. So you can see there will be multiple end nodes and one coordinator node. So this coordinator node is responsible for collecting data from the end nodes and then it will send it to the cloud. So data is stored in the cloud, analyzed in the cloud, and the application is completely cloud based. So these are suitable for solutions based on wireless networks as discussed already. So you can see here the cloud is responsible for storage, analysis, and also communication with the multiple nodes. Best example for IoT level 5 device is nothing but forest fire detection. So if you want to detect fire earlier in the case of forest fires, then you can use wireless sensor networks where sensors are placed in different areas, unmanned areas. You sense the temperature, smoke, weather, etc. Depending on that, analysis is done and warning is given in prior. And even control of fire can take place. Next, what we are discussing is IoT level 6 devices. In this kind, we have multiple independent end nodes which will be used for sensing as well as actuating and send data to the cloud. Data is stored in the cloud and completely it's a cloud-based application. The analytics is also done in the cloud database. The results are visualized with the cloud-based application. Centralized controller is present which will be aware of the status of all the end nodes and sends control commands to the nodes. So look at the diagram. So it's completely cloud based. Best example for IoT level 6 is weather monitoring system. So different sensors are used to monitor the wind speed, direction, solar radiation, temperature, etc. And then completely all are multiple end nodes. They are independent nodes. Everything is cloud based. All the analysis is taken place in the cloud. So that's all about the 6 levels of IoT devices. I hope you have understood it clearly. Thank you all.